It's raining.
So I've not left the house. I'll make a video of what you can do when it's raining in Spain. It's called Don't Cry in Vain if it rains in Spain. Just use your imagination. This is what I did.
I made a shelter in my bedroom out of the rain. Really good. I have anything to play with.
Yeah!
If you want to get fit, do yoga. This is a down dog. That's not a down dog. Sorry, guys. I'm a fly. If you're a boy, you can steal your mum or your sister or your girlfriend's bra, put it on, you can practice taking it off with one hand. I can't even get it on with two hands. One swift movement. Ow. How did I do it? Oh, yeah! I did it! I did it! I did it! I should do my video. Pretend that it's your birthday and give yourself presents! Whee! If you're still really bored, you can brush your teeth. There's always time for hygiene. Moisturize. Never be moisturized enough. The dry places, just find the dry places. Test out your new volumizing hair insert. There's definite volume there. You can rub in the moisturizer if you want. It's flying!
No.
Good bed. Some videos next week.
Come to bed with me.
You can read about China.
It smells so good.
I think I might just go throw myself off the balcony. I'll be finding this until the fucking Christmas in my hair. Just make yourself laugh. You're like really forced.